What's up everybody? It is DJ Jer here with Shop Time and bringing you the new technology in lighting, Bluetooth. Bluetooth is everywhere. We see it in speakers, we see it in, I saw it in a water bottle, basically reminding you, telling your phone to remind you to take a drink if you're getting dehydrated or if you haven't had water in a while. It's ridiculous. So as we know, Bluetooth is everywhere and it only makes sense for lighting to go in that same direction. So Chauvet DJ has come up with what they call BT, or their Air BT, which is their Bluetooth, their BTAir. It's their Bluetooth technology, which actually runs on an app. You can run on your phone, you can run on a tablet, anything that has Bluetooth technology you can utilize. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to walk you through the color band, which is right here. We're going to aim you down here. This color band is in Bluetooth technology and it's Bluetooth mode. Now, what is this fixture mainly used for? It's for DJs who, or anybody who's doing lighting that wants the flexibility to be able to work with their fixture, but doesn't want to get into the DMX programming and doesn't want to get into running cabling everywhere. This is going to allow you to send a wireless signal through Bluetooth. You can connect DMX to this, so you can use it just like a regular color band, but all they did is they added the Bluetooth technology to make it simple for people who aren't advanced into the DMX programming. So a couple things that I want to show you within this product and within this app is I'm actually going to run the app live with you so you can see exactly how this works. All right. So when you first start up the program, let's start from scratch here. You click on the icon, it's going to give you this program or this splash screen. Now what it's doing is it's basically going to be doing a search. It's going to find all the different fixtures that are out there. Now here's the thing, I actually have two fixtures. I have this, which is the Color Band Pix, the T3, and then I also have the Slim Par, which is actually out in our warehouse, way off in the distance, about 60 feet away. Just so I can kind of show you the technology works at long distances as well. You know, Bluetooth has come a long way. It's gotten further than the 5 feet that it used to be 2-3 years ago. And so again, I just want to show you some of the things here. So first of all, the cool thing, it's got the dimmer, so you can dim it up, dim it down. You can also do strobe effects right here within the program. You can actually color pick your option that you want, and then you also have the color menus here. So if I want just amber, actually this one won't have amber, but if I want to do like a purple, I hit done, and then it creates a nice purple for me. If I want to change that color, I want to go green. And actually, yeah, let's do an orange. Now I can do a nice amber color. So that is some of the features here within the main screen. The other cool thing is it does have, and that's in the fixed mode, it does have a couple different options of basically these built-in programs. So you can see fade. Right now, what I did is I clicked the fade button, and then I have these color palettes right here. So what I'm doing is I'm fading from this color to the blue to the pink to the orange, and then if I want to add a color, all I have to do is click on that plus button. I can create a new one, or I can utilize some of the ones that are already in there. So once I have my color, I just added that one to the mix. So now my sequence is teal, magenta, orange, and purple. So it creates a really cool feature just within this program. The program's a really great program. If you ever get a chance to check it out. Pulse, basically it's going to come up, it's going to come down, and then it's going to, and basically again we're going through the colors that I picked here. I want that to strobe on top of that, I can do that. If I want to speed up that fade, I can speed it up or I can slow it down. All right there within the app. Scrolling is basically going to be close to a fade option as well. Rainbow is a pretty cool effect, and then sound active, you can basically put the sound active option. So that way it actually reacts, and I don't have it activated right now. But if you want to see exactly what it looks like, it's got a playback feature. If you have other fixtures that aren't pairing up, you can click on pair, and it will, and then I'm getting a call, it will then find the other fixtures that are out there. So right now, again, we have this in a fade. We're going to go outside the warehouse, and I'm not going to go all the way over to the fixture, but I at least want to show you. I just want to show you that the fixture is running. You can see it over there. That is the fade that we have it on. So again, you can kind of see the distance that it goes. We're going to go back into the office here and just go through a couple more things within the app. So again, it gives you a lot. It gives you good distance. and it allows you to do some cool things that are built right into the program. So if you don't know how to program, that's okay. So the other thing too, say I wanted that one to keep fading, but then I wanted my color bands to kind of do its own thing. Then what I would do is I could actually turn off the slim par. The slim par is still doing its thing way out there, but now I want this to actually just be in a fixed color. So now I can select the color that I want it to be, hit done, and then I have that specific color, which is like a peach. So that is the new Bluetooth technology that Chauvet DJ has come out with, the BTAir. Again, I think it's going to give a lot of people who aren't really sure what to do with lighting or how to kind of create some really cool things, it's going to give you the opportunity to do some really awesome stuff. So if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. Some of the questions that I've had, people are asking how many fixtures. Basically, you can create all these different groups. So you can have multiple fixtures within there. And it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10-ish. About 8. So about 64 is what it looks like for fixture counts. So again, you're really not going to be limiting yourself that much. If you're getting more than 60 some fixtures, you're probably using DMX. But if you want to create some really cool things on your dance floor, using something like this is going to give you a really cool T-bar effect where you can basically shoot that into your crowd and create some really cool energy on the dance floor using your strobes, using the color chases, the color snaps, all those different things. So check out some of the other videos that we put together for this. Learn more about the Bluetooth technology, but this is kind of the intro video of the Bluetooth technology from DJ Jer Shop Time. If you have questions, feel free to ask those questions in the message down below, or feel free to reach out to me, Jeremy, at djjershoptime.com. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.